Tesla rolls out latest Cybertruck real recall. Tesla is rolling out its latest Cybertruck recall for the all-electric pickup this week, and it's actually a recall that will require physical service and not an over-the-air update. On Wednesday, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration (NHTSA) published a recall for the Cybertruck that took effect on November 5th, as the agency cited an issue with the drive inverter, which could cause a loss of drive power to the wheels. The recall will impact 2,431 vehicles, the documents from the NTHSA stated. It appears the issue is stemming from a problem with the drive inverters that use MOSFET. The subject population includes certain model year May 2024 Cybertruck vehicles manufactured between November 6, 2023, and July 30, 2024, that are or were equipped with metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistors MOSFET in the drive inverter. The affected population includes vehicles equipped with inverter part number Family 1,802,305 containing MOSFET part number 1,530,063 2AB. The inverter stops producing torque, which results in a loss of propulsion. Despite pressing the accelerator, the vehicle may not move forward accordingly. Issues with the sudden loss of propulsion first occurred on July 31st, documents show. Tesla started investigating the issue on August 5th, and by October 23rd, it had figured out the issue had been confined to VINs with this specific drive inverter. Tesla said there have been no collisions, fatalities, or injuries related to this issue. This is the sixth recall on the Cybertruck so far, with accelerator pedals, improperly adhered bed trim, problems with the front wiper failure, and rear-view camera malfunctions being the previous issues that required recalls. Typically, we are able to see how many Cybertrucks Tesla has produced with these recalls, thanks to the potentially impacted units figure the NHTSA releases. However, this recall only applies to certain units and is not an issue that spreads to every pickup Tesla has produced. Source: reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at teslarati.